This is how they're looking. Okay, won't be long. Now, when your meat, especially with the pork chops, this happens. If it buckles like that, just give it a little cut. Just a little cut. So it can cook evenly. Okay, it's time to turn. I try to turn it where this round piece fits on the side here of the frying pan. Okay, dinner's almost ready. Okay, these are ready to come out. Nice and brown. I was thinking about things that our mothers used to do. There was always a jar or something there with bleach. It was bleach water. How many of you all remember that? And unbeknownst to us, our parents did it a long time ago. I'm going to turn one of these lights off. I'm going to put the oil in here. You can see those little sentiments there? That right there? That's what I'm going to use to make the gravy.